Not working with that poison. Never again. You tricked me, you little shit. You know well it ain't cool with me.
But I thought your dad was the one you hated.
More than anything on planet Earth, except her.
Cut.
Excuse me, Mr.
Cook.
Got it.
Excuse me, Mr.
Cook. Randall Cook.
Okay, got it. Got it. Do you have any more up your sleeve? That's like lots of. I think like strawberry shortcake bits. And then I can cut here, and when I cut here, I can cut to the shot. It's just like this, you know, going like that. Yeah. There, thanks. All right, get out there. Hey, got it.
19 Apple, take 2. Hey, Mike.
Come on, spare some change. Think about somebody besides yourself. We gotta get eyes on that safe. I need another make.
Now you're asking the right question. Oh, look at those little cheeks. Look at those little cheeks. Oh, the ugliest baby on the planet.
I need a refill.
Stop it, Willie.
Another corner. We're gonna rip it off anyway. Who gives a...
But if we get fired, we got no access to the building. If we got no access to the building, we got no access to the safe. And if we got no access to the safe, there's no reason for me to be standing out here freezing my nuts off.
You mean your nuts haven't been scraped off by the sidewalk already?
Set.
You conned me, you little prick.
Reset.
Oh, hold on to
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll bang you if you have the back. Then I'll knee you. And then I'll do this. Boom.
I've made a man of you. You are who you are because of me.
Now.
Oops. Walk, don't run.
So if you get. Okay, got it.
But they escaped.
Don't poke me. Don't.
76, take 2. See Mike.
Willie?
No.
Can I ride the bicycle now? Do you know Willie? Willie?
No, I don't. And here we go. And background action. And action light. Action Rex.
Whoa. Okay. Seriously. Okay, you have to give my bike back. Hello. Like, seriously?
Hi, I'm Diana. I'm an alcoholic. It's been 10 years since I've had a drink.
And then this was my first Christmas present ever from Willie. With his blood. Willie, you're home!
What's the spine bone, dude?
Is it kind of like put your head on this side of his head, and then you step back and you kind of open up a little bit.
Okay.
What?
Boarding room's downstairs on the left. Any bed that's not taken. Tear them.
I get to wear this?
Of course you do. You're a Santa now, Thurman. Go ahead, put it on.
Like this. It's more to do less of a bend over, actually. The more you bend, the more it kind of like exposes the thing. So if it's more like if you can just pull down without like kind of bending at the knees.
This better be an emergency.
No, I just wanted to invite you to the Christmas concert. I'm singing in the choir, Willie. We're doing all the Christmas carols. Silent Night, Deck the Halls, Jingle Bells, Veni Veni Emmanuel. That one's in Latin. And I know you're busy, but it's just for an hour, and all the parents are coming. And I know you're not my real family. But when you don't have real family, you have to make a new one, which is actually better, because then you get to choose the people that you're family with. And you're the family I picked.
Beat. Apple 106, Baker, take 4. Okay, Mark.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
Wait a
I wouldn't have taken
okay.
the movie.
Okay, do the English now.
In English?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I love you, Kathy Boots.
Oh. You waited until the very last to tell me.
Thanks, guys. Do another one. Just do grunting.
Okay.
Like, so less talking, more physicality.
Okay.
Okay, one more. Play back the same thing and go. Just grunting.
Okay.
Action. Biting. Killing me. Okay, one more.
But I guess she does a little bit. Look what I got. Not so big now, are you?
Well, yeah, the beer is mine. Here it is.
Welcome to the set of Bad Santa 2. Welcome to this fucking hellhole that is the set of Bad Santa 2. Beautiful city, not so nice weather.
Hi, Vale here with more on comedy for you. Now, when you think of comedy, you don't necessarily link comedy movies to the Oscars. In fact, very rarely have comedy films won the Best Picture Oscar. The following have been the only comedies that have won Best Picture. It Happened One Night from 1934. You Can Take It With You from 1938. The musical comedy Going My Way from 1944. Tom Jones from 1963. The Sting from 1973. And Annie Hall Fall from 1977. There are other borderline or hybrid comedies that have won the award, including The Apartment from 1960, Terms of Endearment from 1983, Driving Miss Daisy from 1989, Forrest Gump from 1994, Shakespeare in Love from 1998, and two dark comedies, American Beauty from 1999 and Birdman from 2014. What's your favorite comedy movie? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to our channel for the all best comedy movie releases.